So 2 days ago, I heard about this Clawdbot thing and I was having trouble installing it. So I made a tutorial for you guys for Mac, Windows, and Linux users on how to install Clawdbot without any issues. The biggest issue I was having is that a lot of the documentation that's out there doesn't match the variables in the back end. I'm guessing because the whole trademark thing they're going through. So I'm pretty sure they're renaming a lot of the variables and it's causing a lot of broken links to happen. So here's the tutorial, guys. You guys want to open up your PowerShell, and then from there, you guys want to type in WSL. Don't do this if you're on Mac or already on a Linux operating system. But if you are on Windows, you're going to need to do this. So WSL install Ubuntu. You could just type in WSL and install it, but it's not going to install. It's just going to install the regular Ubuntu operating system. It's installing, should be good after this. And after this, you're going to want to set your username for your Linux software, or your operating system, and then you're going to want to set a password, admin permissions. Once you are in the terminal, and you will know you're in the Linux terminal because of that green little text, the green and blue text you got going on right there. All you're going to have to do next is sudo apt curl. Now, the operating system should already have it installed, but I don't know what you guys are on right now, either the Linux or the Mac, so we're going to just run through it. We're on either right now, so it's already installed. You got to do that. And then now you're going to install the database, the updated database. This has the latest model of Node.js. If you just skip this, you're going to get Node.js 18. I'm pretty sure it's 18. And I'm going to have this in there for you so you guys don't have to type in everything. Oh, no. Oh, God, no. I suck. HTTPS dev nodesource.com. See? Right there. Backslash. I'm not sure where I got that dot from. It's updated now. Now we're going to do sudo apt install y -y Node.js. The -y is this yes to all. So any prompts, it usually is like, do you want to accept? That -y will just accept them all for you. And then after that, make sure the npm is installed, the latest version, because the latest version that's already pre-installed is going to be 11.4. Oop, that's not supposed to be a T, y'all. That's supposed to be a Y. But hey, it's good. So next is update. We're going to update all the packages, and then we're going to do full to upgrade all the packages. This is going to update all packages that needed to be updated. Sometimes people don't want to update certain packages because they could have vulnerabilities in them, or they are like whatever project they're working on is specific to certain runtimes. So now for the final part. Now we're just going to check the versions to make sure it's installed. The node is installed. 11.8 is installed. Now install the global version of Clawdbot, and this should install Clawdbot for you. We're going to go to Clawdbot, onboard, install daemon. Pretty sure daemon is the type of server for if you want to attach into the server from external connection using Tailscale or some shit like that. I don't know. I'm going to try that Tailscale thing out so I could SSH in. But boom, yes, quick start. And then you just select the models and stuff like that. If you already have the command line interface installed for any of these, the CLI for OpenAI and Anthropic, and there would be a third option here. It's not here because it's not installed currently. But if you guys need help with this part, if this video gets 1,000 likes, I'm going to go ahead and just make another one and teach you guys how to do the onboarding process. But I had so much trouble just even getting to this point where it was actually installed. So just let me know if you guys liked it, and then if you guys want help, installing, getting it set up, just get this video to 1,000 likes. And so appreciate you guys. Peace. Hey, so I just wanted to make a quick video showing that it's actually like up, running, and functional. If you do type in Clawdbot dashboard, it should pull up the web interface. So if you click here, give it a second, it does it. It's a refusal. Give it a second. Okay, and then boom. And then you could also access it through the terminal user interface here. And then see everything matches verbatim. Boom, boom, boom. So yeah, if this video gets to 1,000 likes, I'm gonna go ahead and just make a part 2 showing how to get through the onboarding process and how to like apply your APIs and so forth. It's free to like, and it helps show me that you guys are actually interested in the content I'm pushing out. So I do appreciate it. Thank you guys. Have a great day.